Hello, my name is Lalit Kolte, faculty for MBA at First Right. So, let's understand why one should pursue an MBA. MBA course is designed to increase your industry acumen. Here in MBA course, we have subjects like marketing, operations, financial management, business communication. So, by learning all these subjects, you increase your knowledge regarding these business processes. With this knowledge, you have an edge over the others into the corporate world. So that's why one should pursue an MBA. Another reason is that you can pursue MBA without any age limit. For example, you can pursue an MBA at the age of 30, in your early 20s, even after your 50s. There is no age limit for MBA. So that's why one should do an MBA. As I said earlier, that you will be gaining some advanced knowledge. With this advanced knowledge, you can gain a compensation hike for your services in the business world. Generally, it's seen that when compared to fresh graduates, fresh MBA graduates are getting higher compensation as compared to graduates. So that's where you can gain a better compensation, a better package into the corporate world. So these are the reasons why one should pursue an MBA at First Right. So come join our MBA course. Thank you.